Wagwan KK Squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna be doing a twist out on my low porosity hair using these products called Uncle Funky's Daughter. I've heard so much about these products. I've seen so many good reviews, especially for low porosity hair, type 4 hair like mine. So I decided to try the travel kit. Yes, this is the travel kit. It's the ultimate kinky and curly travel kit because there's no in between. It's either the small ones or the big ones, and it's my first time using it, so I just want to make sure they actually work for my hair. If they do, then of course I'm gonna get the bigger ones. So I just got done washing my hair, just using this t-shirt to dry out some of the excess water. Okay, so this is the travel package. This is exactly how it is in the pack, and on the back it tells you what each product do for your hair. Let me show you what comes in the package, how it is. So this is the Thirsty Curls leave-in curl. This one is the Curl Magic Stimulator. This is the one I see a lot of YouTubers use. Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. It also comes with the Extra Butter Curl Forming Cream, Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream, and the Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner. So these are the 3 bottles: Thirsty Curls, Curly Magic, and Midnight Train. And then these are the small containers. So I haven't done a real twist out in probably almost a year. So we're gonna see how this is gonna turn out. Listen, I'm excited. Me? Excited. Ooh. So now let's get started. So first I'm gonna use the Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. Guys, the smell is amazing. It's giving like a fruity flavor, like pineapple, passion, I don't know, like a passion fruit. No, I have to go research this. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to see what fruit is this. Like I said, this is the Midnight Train leave-in conditioner. So good. Next I'm gonna take a little bit of the Extra Butter. Smells good too, but it's, listen, that leave-in just now was everything. And next is the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. Oh gosh, yeah. Nah, these products smell really good. Watch girl ear a curl up. These are just like regular products and my hair is, ooh. Ooh. Oh, I like that. And then now I'm gonna be using the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. Oh yeah, this have a fruity flavor as. Wait, this is giving me a little bit of ginger. Yeah, it's giving me like a ginger type. Listen, I have to figure out. Ooh. Your girl hair is curly. I should do a wash and go. I should do a wash and go for sure. I have a good feeling about these products. I have a good feeling. So like I said, 5 products came in the travel kit and I only used 4 of the products. The Thirsty Curls leave-in curl, I realized after you unravel your curls and then like a couple days later when you want to get your curls to look refreshed and nice again with no frizz, then that's when you use this one. Because it says hydrates, conditions and preserves moisture in frizzy fallen curls. So I'm assuming this is for like, you know, a couple days later after you do your twist out, you could use this as a refresher. So in this order, like I showed you earlier, I used the Midnight Train leave-in conditioner first, then I used the extra butter cream, and then I used the moisturizer cream. Oh, and also the Kurly Magic Stimulator Curl. So far, I'm loving it. Guys, if you see me looking over here on this side, I have my mirror right here. Juicy twists, yo. They are so juicy. Juicy. The shrinkage is real. Okay, so I'm all done with my twist. So I'm just gonna leave my hair for 24 hours and let it dry, and then I'll be back tomorrow to show you guys when it's dry and ready to unravel. Hey KK squad, so it's 22 hours later and I am back. Well, hopefully it dry. I'm hoping and praying it feel dry, so let's see. So to unravel these twists, I'm gonna be using the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on my finger. Oh, yeah, a tiny bit, right? Rub it all over my finger just so I can unravel my twists. Let me put them up. So the oil is basically to help with the frizz so it doesn't get frizzy, and you have to be gentle while unraveling these twists to avoid frizz as well. Let's see, let's keep going. I'm nervous, people, I'm nervous. Psycho Life of a King Danny, that Jamaican comedian influencer. I always say I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Cause you know, you put your all into something, you just want it to work. Alright, I think something, it can go on, something will go on. Oh my goodness, my hair is so soft and bouncy. I love it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. All right, I think I'm gonna rock the middle part today, and then like every time I change it, like if tomorrow I change it into a high puff or half a puff down, I'll show you guys. So this is it for this part. Maybe next clip you'll see another style. My hair is uneven, guys. So the back and the front right here is really longer than the middle. I love it. It's so cute. So like I told you guys, I used 4 products out of the 5, and all 4 worked really well together. But if you were to buy them separate, let me tell you my favorite. It might work different for you, but it's 2 creams. You have the Miracle Moisture Cream and you have the Curl Forming Cream, right? That's the extra butter curl forming cream, and you have the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream. The Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream actually does something really extra for my hair, more than the extra butter. So this one, the Super Curl, if I should buy all of these products separate, I would definitely buy the Super Curl by itself. But like I said, if you're using the travel kit like I did, all 4 worked really good. I haven't tried the Thirsty Curls as yet. That's for like a couple days from now when I start to get frizz and stuff like that. So the leave-in conditioner, amazing. The curl stimulator, great. Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream, amazing. The extra butter is good, but I feel like if you should choose between the 2, I would say go with Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream, because that one works amazing. When I put it on my hair, I could feel the difference. Of course, I am going to go back to get these products again. Yeah, for sure. It really works well for my hair. My hair is bouncy, soft. I love it. You could pin it up. You could do a bunch of stuff to this. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you so much for the support, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.